Price item in the show, we took $20 off of one of your.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Patrick County in southwestern Virginia, Franklin County, Henry County, the city of Martinsville, south central Botetourt County, southwestern Bedford County, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 7:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fincastle to Copper Hill to Kreitz, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Martinsville, Bedford, Rocky Mount, Stewart, and Troutville. This includes the following locations: the Martinsville Speedway, the National D-Day Memorial, and Martinsville Airport. Prepare immediately for damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as any reports of wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.
It's the most fun part. And you just come up with these unexpected color combinations that look incredible together. Break them up because the blackberry and the willow is amazing. So you cannot go wrong. But do you love this color?
I love blackberry the most, but Erica
I might like pink melon.
Just said, do not wait on melon, sherbet / willow. And okay, I know I got mesmerized by the back first, but perhaps this is your first twin set from Lori, and you don't realize that this is actually
2 t-shirts.
Thank you. 2 shirts for the price of $67.
A perfect tank top that we love, that is on logo layers, that lives on there all the time. This is the shirt tail that I always wear, that rounded front. We've done it an inch shorter. So, by the way, it is totally